Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.